Academic Search Premier is a popular database for finding scholarly sources in various subjects. To access this database, let's start at the library homepage at riosalado.edu/library. Next, select the blue database button in the middle of the page. Under the General section, click on Academic Search Premier. You will have to log in with your MEID and password. Before we start typing in our keywords, we need to know how this database searches. Searching in this database can be a bit tricky. It does not work like Google. To get the best results, you have to add an and between each keyword. Avoid phrases or sentences, and only use words that represent the main points of your topic. Let's say you want to learn more about students who have anxiety and whether those issues are being addressed so that those students can be successful in school. For this topic, I'm going to pull out the keywords students and anxiety to start. I can also try searching for students and anxiety and success. Make sure to add that and between your words. If you are having a hard time knowing when to use and in your search, the advanced search option might help. The advanced search option is under the search bar in blue. Type one keyword in each separate box and leave the drop-down menu on and. This can be a great way to help you organize your keywords if you're having a hard time. If you would like additional searching techniques, there is a link in the description box below. Before you start looking at the results, make sure to select the full text option on the left-hand side. You can also narrow your search down further by limiting the results by the date or the type of information, such as peer-reviewed articles. There are also options to limit your search by other types of sources like newspapers or magazines. Just look for the box that fits your needs. After you read through the titles and the brief descriptions, click on the article that looks interesting or like it's relevant to your topic. From here, you can read the abstract, which is a short summary, and skim through the article to see if this is something you might potentially use in your research and need to save. There are a few ways to save this article. First is to copy and paste the permalink. Unlike the link at the top of the page, this will never change, so you are guaranteed to get back to this page. Since we have to log in with our MEID and password to access this database, the link in the address bar changes. The permalink is located on the toolbar on the right side of the page. The next way to save is to email this article to yourself with the email button. The last and most important information to grab before you close out of this page is the citation under the Cite button. This will save you from having to create a citation from scratch. Just make sure you double check what the database gives you against one of the library's citation guides. So remember to add and between your keywords, use the limiters on the left-hand side, and grab the citation. If you have any questions or need any guidance on how to use this database, you can reach your librarians at the 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat. All of the links are in the description box below. Thank you for watching.